Hey guys, it's Reed again, going over Unit 7 in the blueprint book today. This unit and the next two are going to be pretty quick. We're going to slow it down at Unit 10. I'm looking forward to that. It's a big unit. But Unit 7 is all about other views that you're going to find. Other views are generally indicated by break symbols. As we talked about in Unit 1, break symbols are put on a drawing to conserve space. Where nothing's happening, nothing special. They just cut it down so they can pull everything together and conserve space on a drawing. Now that's what a break symbol's for. You're starting to get into different sections and different views. I showed you before how an I-beam can have an imaginary cut made in it and then it's spun. It's revolved. And that's what a revolved section is. It means something has been cut and then turned so you can see the interior components of a part, or maybe section lines indicating what type of metal you're working with. Another thing they have is auxiliary views. Sometimes not everything you need to see to fabricate the part is abundantly clear on a blueprint, so they'll throw an extra view in there called an auxiliary view. Sometimes on drawings they'll use both right and left side. If you look at the example figure 7.7 on page 82, you'll see it looks like a piece of pipe with a flange on each end. But from the front it looks like both flanges are round. But then they had to show the right and left side to show you that one side is rectangular and the other side is round. You can't tell that by looking at it from the front view. So they show you both left and right side views. They have at the top of page 83 alternate positions of a side view. Again, all these are for is to give you, everything they need to cover so that you can fabricate that part. Alternate positions of the side view, they'll use that just like they will both the right side and left side views. An enlarged detail view is exactly what it sounds like, guys. It's where they blow something up to show you, again, all the details necessary. A developed view is, let's say I have a piece of flat bar and it's going to break. I'm going to put some bends in it. But what I'm going to do is lay it out on the table first as one piece of flat bar, and that's really what my developed view is before I have the parts broke and turned. Revolved views, it says when an object is shown in true projection, it is drawn in all views as it actually appears. However, in some cases, one view of the object may be shown as it does not actually appear. So revolved views, sometimes they'll lay it out. An example of this is on page 85, when you're learning how to make an orange peel in a pipe, which all that is in your pipe fitting blue book that was issued to you in your toolkit. That's a fabulous book. If you get into pipe, I know pipe fitters that have been doing it 30 years and they still have to fall back and use that reference book. Just as I was telling you, the blueprint book is an excellent reference tool to have in your gang box. Untrue projection on page 86. Sometimes they'll draw a hidden line or something if in different views something lines up perfectly and you can't tell exactly what it is. They'll use untrue projection to illustrate that as best they can. And really to cap everything off, I want to make sure you guys understand this is important. On page 87 it talks about any corrections or revisions made on prints need to be in red or yellow ink. Do not draw it in black or blue because that is the color already found on the blueprint. So for it to stand out, get with your supervisor and make any corrections or revisions in red or yellow ink on a blueprint. If you have any questions, please contact me or your current instructor. Thank you.